Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the pocketGuard app on Android. But before we get started, let's ask ourselves a question. Are you tired of constantly worrying about where your money is going? Do you want a way to track your expenses and stay on top of your budget? If so, then pocketGuard is the perfect app for you. So, what is pocketGuard? pocketGuard is a personal finance app that helps you track your income and expenses, set budgets, and save money. It's easy to use and has a lot of great features, such as the ability to connect your bank accounts and credit cards to the app, the ability to track your spending by category, the ability to set budgets for different categories, the ability to save money for specific goals, the ability to get personalized insights into your spending habits. Now that we know what pocketGuard is, let's get started on how to use it on Android. Step 1. Download and install the pocketGuard app from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Create a new account or sign in with an existing account. Step 3. Connect your bank accounts and credit cards to the app. Step 4. Set up your budgets. Step 5. Start tracking your expenses. Step 6. Review your spending habits and make adjustments as needed. Now that you know how to use pocketGuard, you can start using it to track your expenses, set budgets, and save money. I highly recommend this app to anyone who wants to take control of their finances. In addition to the features I mentioned earlier, pocketGuard also has a number of other great features, such as the ability to track your net worth, the ability to set up recurring transactions, the ability to get notifications about upcoming bills and expenses, the ability to export your data to a CSV file. Overall, pocketGuard is a great app that can help you save money, track your expenses, and stay on top of your budget. If you're looking for a personal finance app that's easy to use and has a lot of great features, I highly recommend pocketGuard. So, what are you waiting for? Download pocketGuard today and start taking control of your finances. And with that, until next time, happy budgeting.